वैसे भाई कभी सवाल में मुझसे ये पूछ रहे थे कि क्या आपका स्टेक जो है वो एंड वी टुक द डिसीजन टू सिट इन ऑन द ऑपोजिशन बेंचेस in the Senate and the National Assembly. There was a rise in petroleum prices which affects the common man, and this was the kind of last straw, although it was the international prices which have affected the petroleum prices. But the point is that nothing over the past 3 years has been done by the People's Party to improve the economy of the country. There's rampant corruption, there is mismanagement all around, there's misgovernance, you might say. There is inflation, people are committing suicides, they're selling their children. And we have 25 members in the National Assembly, and we have 6 senators. We are sitting on the opposition benches. If PMLN decides not to support the government, the People's Party, then the government would have lost its majority, and they would have to take steps, democratic steps, like maybe going into elections, midterm elections, or seeking a vote of confidence from the parliament. So,
in normal course, in a democratic system, this situation or such a situation always leads to change of government or fresh elections. But here situation is different, because no opposition parties, irrespective of the major Pakistan Muslim League, Nawaz, or other parties, or those who have just left the coalition, are not willing to table any no confidence motion against the Prime Minister. But at the same time, the Prime Minister has lost majority in the House. So it is a difficult situation. The democratic system and norms demand fresh elections or fresh vote of confidence. Both seems not coming because nobody is really in a position or doesn't want to take any responsibility of throwing out this government. The other issues, be it economy, be it war and terror, or corruption, or whatever, all those dimensions will be affected. The focus, those things needed cannot be given.
हाँ ये देखिए
स्पेशल डिलीवरी चालान भी आ जाते हैं.